my driveway looks a lot different. Guys, after a week of being gone, my driveway looks a lot different with all those leaves on it. Anyway, I'm heading down. I gotta go get my new car registered that I just picked up last night. Got back at 11 o'clock from getting that, and get that thing on the road. It's gonna be exciting. So guys, I just got my registration for my new car. Look at this, the number is OBO. It's the first part of my plate number. But that was great. So now I'm gonna head to the store, get some Wi-Fi, and then get back and put my plate on and start borrowing parts from this Forester for that Forester. Hopefully they switch over good. Here's my new car that I just got the registration for. It's another Subaru, and it looks pretty good. There's some dents on the side and stuff, little bits and stuff that needs work. Got 2 spare keys, and then I got this to handle the keys, because what I have the keys on right now is a carabiner, but I got like several rings and they love to fall off. And check this out. It's like this right here, just a pile. So hopefully this 3-ring carabiner will help take care of that. As you can see, we got a dent here where somebody sideswiped it. This stuff. Anyway, my plan is that I will take parts from my old Subaru and put on my new one. So that's exciting. Here's a funny fact. My new Subaru is a year older than my old Subaru. I'm already loving this new carabiner for my keys. It keeps them all separated, and they're not gonna, the key rings aren't gonna want to fall off when I pull them off my belt loop. So here's something I'm wanting to do. See right here, somebody had a cigarette hole, and there's some like burn marks up here. I'm hoping that I can take the seat out of my other Forester and put in here. It's a little bit dirty, but there's no burn marks. We'll see what we can do. So I just took out these 2 bolts that hold the seat in. I'm gonna see what we can do with it. That wasn't too hard. Now if the other one will fit, I gotta vacuum this out before I put the other seat back in. Guys, this is totally working. It's awesome. Oh, and a little fun fact, I found this stud or whatever, looks like a nose ring under the seat in my other car. What you find under seats? It's wild. Okay. Ooh. There we go. Yeah, these are kind of dirty. A little bit dirtier than the ones that were in here. But they don't have burn marks from cigarettes, so that's good, because I don't like that. I even like the color of this one more, even though it's a bit dirty. It's like I didn't like the gray. have the other one. Oh guys, that is exciting. Look, it fit right in. I definitely do like the pattern of this better than this. And what do you guys think? I like this over that. Yeah, man, this is good. I thought for sure that it would fit, but then this one is the S model and that one's the L model. So I was like, didn't know if there'd be a difference, but it's working. Quarter, beautiful. There you go, I got my seat switched out. Finding all sorts of stuff, guys. Now I just found this pin. I don't know what the pin's for or whatever, but I just found that under the old seat in my car too. I should just like pin it to the seat or something, just like on the old car. Just sitting down to edit this vlog and realized I didn't have an outro, so this is going to be the outro. Feel pretty good, guys. Being able to switch the seat from my old Forester to my new Forester. I'm excited, so I feel pretty accomplished for the day. So I think there's some more parts I can switch. So in the future, that's what I'm going to do. So if you enjoyed this video, you can share it and like it and all that good stuff. And until next time, keep rolling with the random.